Something big happened this week with a huge plugin manufacturer. Waves decided that it's just going to abandon all of the license that have been purchased by its users and go strictly to a subscription model, which pretty much just puts everybody on a ticking time bomb to join a subscription plan in order to open old projects. One of the hardest choices that I have to make as a business owner is changing the price on my own course and running a sale on the courses that I create. There's always a strategy and always making sure not to out and piss off my own customers. I never want to do that. I want to always take care of them. You have to always consider the previous ways you've done business and the previous ways people have interacted with you and the way that you want to move forward. You have to continue those traditions. If you're a new company, cool. You could get away with this. This would be amazing. As a brand new company with 0 customers, this would be pretty badass, but it's not, okay? People have paid. I remember the Mercury bundle was like, wasn't it like $8,000? Was it $8,000 in the 2000s? I don't know. It's something crazy. I really think Wave should pass the torch. I mean, it's okay if business is not your thing, okay? You made some really great plugins that still are being used. And not to mention Wave's SoundGrid. I mean, these are amazing tools for live sound engineers. It would just be a shame for these tools to go to waste. Waves really should just get out of their own way. If you don't want to do business, that's cool. Nobody blames you. Nobody blames you if you're not good at this. You're supposedly the world-leading plugin manufacturer. But it's not 2004 anymore. The whole video about opening up the candy store, it's not even funny. There's nothing positive about it, and it's everything about it is just cringe. People buy from businesses that they know, like, and trust. If people don't like you or trust you, they only know you at this point. Well, what is left? You have tools, you have the code behind the plugins. You pretty much are down to your assets. They know about you. So I really think that somebody else needs to somebody else needs to take up the torch and make the decisions for you. Distribute the plugins on Plugin Alliance. Don't let that be above you. Kive Audio just released the tape face. They can do it. Why can't you release your plugins there too? Oh, because you're a world-leading plugin manufacturer. That's right, I forgot. This attitude, this arrogance of just not really paying attention and just ignoring, it doesn't work. Because good business is about relationships. My computer updates and all of a sudden, I can't open any of my old projects. This creates a major, major problem. So please consider what is right for your people. Because at this point, you really don't have much. You have the code, and that's about it.